How does it look?
Wow.
We actually met at work, so
I
when
didn't say hi or...
my friend said like, shall we take a photo without she knowing
Look at this fellow!
that she is leaving.
Yeah, I was quitting. Hello guys!
Welcome to Vinjin Vlog. So today is a very special vlog, and by the look of it, you guys can figure out, I guess. But what is it?
It's our 3rd anniversary, guys.
Wedding anniversary, 3rd anniversary.
So
So
let's come closer.
So
So we thought we'll celebrate with all of you.
Yeah, and today's going to be a very special vlog. Something very interesting coming up.
Yeah.
And we'll tell you what it is
After
we
the
cut this
celebration.
cake. So we'll cut.
Yeah.
You can take off the plastic. So we bought a red velvet cake, my favorite.
Yeah.
You also like, right?
Not more than chocolate, but yeah.
Okay. Aha.
Uh-huh.
2 people, small cake. It's
Yeah,
okay, right?
it's more than
But
enough.
it's very beautiful actually.
It's
So I'm
very
gonna light this. We're gonna keep this 3 towards you guys. So that, you know. How does it look?
Wow.
So,
Shall we
cut the cake and then go to the rest
blow
of
the
the
candle?
video. So
Make a wish.
yeah,
You're
make
not
a wish.
coming.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Just gonna take this off.
You can keep it on.
Yeah, just keep it. Happy anniversary to us. Keep it out. Keep it super. I will give.
I want to do-
Yeah. I'll give you layer by layer. Layers.
Not really.
How is it? Nice, huh? Yes.
So yum. The cream. Happy anniversary, Jan. Well,
Happy anniversary. I'll keep it for later. I need one more piece.
Yum.
You also want?
Why not? I can take.
I used to take layer wise.
I didn't know that I like red velvet.
Really?
Hello?
Okay.
Go back to the video. I put in the cake.
No, just keep it on the side.
Okay.
Put in that cake. Bra. So, about today's video. So, we've been getting a lot of requests to share our
Love story.
how we met. So, we thought which better day to discuss than
Today.
today. So, we're gonna start real quick and easy, but it's a big story. So,
It's a very long story. We'll try to make it little. We will try to make it little short.
yeah, you have to prepare
And not bore you guys.
Yeah, we actually met at work. So when we started to work in Indigo Airlines, Bangalore Airport, and we met on the first day itself. So first day was the induction, so where everyone had to sign their contracts and all that. So someone was late the first day itself,
I was late
and how many?
I got-
45 minutes late.
Oh, no ways. Was it 45?
Yeah, you don't know.
No, I
right? How
actually
much you got?
that was because I was still in the airport. I was not able to figure out which building it was. I was
45
confused. Kind of.
Anyway,
So I was late. Was it advantages for you or no?
What?
That I came late.
kind of.
Then okay, how was it advantages?
When she came inside.
Actually, I didn't know. Actually, first of all, I didn't know anyone in that meeting room when I entered. So because like I was not supposed to join that group itself, and just because I had all my documents ready, they just put me in the prior group in which Vinay was there. So when I walked in, I didn't know anyone, and there were no chairs. Like there was no chair left empty. In all the chairs, everyone were sitting, and there was just one chair left, and it was next to this person. And after that, I don't think I spoke to him. Even in the beginning, I didn't say hi, or
Yeah.
I didn't introduce myself or anything because already I was late. So like that, you can continue.
Like what?
Like
Yeah, she's already late. Came, sat next to her. beautiful girl sitting next, no problem. But we didn't talk. But then we got a chance to talk when actually the job contract had to have a witness sign on it.
Yeah.
So since we are sitting next to each other, we had to sign each other. So that's the time I knew her name because she introduced to the tutor, but then she didn't know my name because she missed my introduction. So we signed each other's witness signatures.
Yeah, that too, we didn't speak anything much. It's like, okay, will you sign it for me? And I said, okay, I'm gonna sign it for you just because we're sitting next to each other.
Yeah, I thought like if I sign hers and see my signature because it's a little bit different, she'll just ask me something about it, but nothing. And that day went just normal. After that, there were like few slides or presentations done, and she didn't even say bye. Actually, she just left the room all of a sudden. Like she just nothing to talk. We also thought okay, but then something really special happened in between. So me and my friend were sitting, and left side of me she was sitting. And when that happened, my friend said like, shall we take a photo without she knowing, just to show off in front of our friends, so that So he took a photo. We're just gonna show it here.
Yeah, we put it on the screen.
That's become so special because that's the first day we met, and we have a photo from the first day. I think that's
it's very special. Yeah, and I didn't know, almost for a year I didn't know that photo even existed.
So after the first day, then the normal training started. So training was in a very small room. Actually, maximum 15 people. That's all were there, right?
Yeah, from Bangalore only 15 of them.
Normal, like we were just mingling each other because the first few days were like very free and all that, like there was nothing much to learn.
Yeah,
and we
just
had like
some
15
activities
days
or
training.
something. Yeah,
and
15-20 days I guess. Yeah, something like that.
And we didn't talk anything to each other because I was with my friends actually. I met, so I was always talking to them, and she was.
I was either silent or
with who she was talking to. But anyway,
with other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
And after 2 days, actually, we made a WhatsApp group,
Yeah.
and that's when we had all of their number. And even though we had each other's number, but then I of course, I just went and messaged her saying that this is Vinay, this is
Personal
my number.
Message. Yeah.
Personal message. In case of anything, just let me know. As though I was from Bangalore and she wasn't, but then but she replied.
I replied. I said,
okay.
That's it. When did we start then talking properly?
3 or 4 days afterwards. We had a few activities together, so that's when we started talking, and actually we started messaging.
Yeah, it was much more comfortable, and I was not feeling so shy. Even he is a shy person, so even he didn't approach me or approach as in to even speak or anything. Huh?
I'm talking to them.
Ain't standard. Hello, while messaging in WhatsApp, no standard, right? Oof, okay. Standard and all, shy person, so he didn't come and speak. So even it's the same with me, so even I didn't speak.
But then when we started talking and chatting, we came to know that a few likes and dislikes were similar. Yeah. But then something happened.
Few maximum.
No, but no, in the starting few days. But then we knew few things were interesting.
Yeah.
We were talking to each other, right? But then after like the first week, what happened? You called, right?
Yeah. I called him and his friends and my friends also home on a weekend for lunch or dinner, lunch something like that.
Don't act like you forgot. Oh.
Hey, lunch or dinner? I don't remember. Okay, anyway. Yeah.
Okay, breakfast.
Oh, okay. So I had invited these guys home, but he came up with an excuse that he had to wash his uniform. Okay. And that's for Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So he said, no, I cannot come because I need to wash my uniform. I thought, okay, maybe he's not interested or anything. That's fine. No issues. Because I felt really sad for these guys because they just live really far and no proper food and all. So they said that he will cook, but I didn't know then that he can actually manage. Now I know.
MasterChef.
Okay. So I just wanted them to have home food or something like that because they were my friends. So when I invited, he said no. He gave that excuse, and after that. I don't think I saw the picture directly or in someone's phone. It was uploaded on Facebook or something like that. I saw that these guys had gone to the mall. I think Orion, if I'm not wrong, they had been there. And then he didn't even bother to inform me that time that I'll be going or that's why I'll not be able to come to your house or anything. And I was I was totally pissed off. He just ignored off. Like he didn't inform anything. And then I got to see a picture wherein he's roaming somewhere else with other people. So I got pissed off a little bit. That's it. I stopped talking. Totally.
Silent days, rough days.
Totally stopped.
After that, next day, the next class when she's coming, telling hi, good morning to everyone in the class. Who came with me to the mall also telling hi, only to me, not to I. Like, okay.
Because I hadn't invited any of them. I had invited you, so I expected you to show that courtesy.
So I thought, okay, she's not telling, I don't care.
No courtesy, no nothing.
But it didn't last much long.
It lasted long.
Okay, long. But after a while, after a few days, she put a status. 1,000 billion people are.
What?
7 billion faces.
7 billion people, 14 billion faces.
Right.
That means you know what it means.
But I know. Yeah. So I thought it's for me. So I had to ask her.
It was for you, kind of.
Anyway, I thought. So I had to clear my part because we actually didn't go to the mall that week. We went some other week.
What? This is the biggest
lie. You can call anyone and ask.
This is the biggest lie. You accepted that you people had gone.
Not that.
Why are you lying? Oh, boy, look at this fellow. It's our third anniversary.
Anyway,
liar.
After that I started messaging her again and we again started talking.
He started messaging, he started texting me asking who that status was for. He was more concerned about that, whether it was for him or it was for someone else or it was just a normal thing.
Because unnecessarily other people shouldn't feel bad.
What other people shouldn't feel bad? Shouldn't feel bad, Allah. Think bad. Thought bad about you.
Okay. Anyways,
and it was
we started
that kind
talking,
of behavior.
But from text messages, we started calling each other.
Kind
of no WhatsApp call, right?
Hey, why?
Oh,
was it 10 years back?
No, there's no WhatsApp call. We are calling normal Airtel.
Oh.
Yes. You remember?
Oh yeah, I guess.
It was not
only when we started working, because we were not able to see each other or even talk directly to each other. That's when we started calling here and there.
And even during work, sometimes like we never used to get same shifts actually. Because, and sometimes there will be like the transition time between the shifts. We used to meet sometimes, right? We used to
very rarely, but maybe from inside the airport, I would be there inside the airport and he'd be there outside.
Something like that.
So in the boarding gates or something, that glass used to be there, and we used to try to converse from there.
Actually, once he was talking something like this inside the airport, and I was in the ramp, and then one of my friends asked whether she was dumb.
I was so good at sign language.
Dumb as in, sign.
Sign language.
Yeah.
What? I was trying to converse.
I said yes.
What?
Yeah, no problem. And after that, what happened?
What happened?
Yeah. Put bomb.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Put bomb that she is leaving.
Yeah, I was quitting.
Once she started, decided to quit, she had general shift during those times. And I think those times were very crucial for us because we got very close those times.
I think that's the only time we got really close.
Yeah.
Every day we used to talk because whether he was in morning shift or afternoon shift, I would be there. Right. So I was in general shift. So I would actually, and fortunately I think he was maximum in afternoon shift. So when it was the time for me to leave, he'd still be there. And
she used to come and work with me for a while until she waits for a cab.
Yeah, I had to wait almost for 40-45 minutes for my cab. So instead of chuma sitting or just standing outside, I would go to the place where he was working and I would work there. I would help him actually.
So last 1 week of 1.5 weeks, she started bringing food for me sometimes for lunch. Correct. So she used to bring in the morning and give it to me when I just come in for afternoon shift so that I can just have and then start working. It was really cute. Thank you. It was very tasty also. I think
because
special ingredients.
Yeah, because he used to.
Funny.
I knew how much he used to like food and variety, and he used to miss home food or that tasty kind of. So I thought I'll make and give, because I also wanted him to try, because he didn't come home, he ditched me, right? So I thought, okay, I will give it to him.
Before leaving, actually, we actually made a plan, because we never went out.
We never went out actually. Went out as in not even for, I don't think we even went for coffee or what do you say,
anything.
lunch, dinner, nothing, absolutely nothing,
Yeah.
for almost 7, 8 months.
Yeah.
So
in that event, like, we decided, okay, we need to go out and eat something, because
Yeah.
that's what we love. So we thought we'll go eat something outside, and we planned. So after she leaves, we'll find a day and we'll go. And it happened, and that became our. We actually planned for just a dinner, lunch, but then it became the date. Undated date.
Undated date.
That's when we realized.
After I left, and after that happened, after I left, after like 2-3 months,
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
We planned further, because she had some work and all to do after leaving. So she did that, and then we met finally.
Yeah.
And it was an amazing
That day was really good.
day, and
So-
we opened up more, and we were alone, like in the place. We were talking to each other,
Yeah.
and having food, and super.
Yeah, I don't get so comfortable very easily. So with him it was very, very easy. So that was a kind of feel that, you know, because we were already we were very close friends then. We used to share so many things. The foundation of friendship was so strong. So that's the what do you say? That's the bond which has brought us till here, if I can say that.
No,
You know?
Yes. Yes.
Why are you making fun of
I'm not
me?
making fun. You're so cute.
No.
And then after a few days, what happened? I knew actually I like her, I love her, and I knew she also loved me. Of course, it's me. You know. Simple case.
Wow!
Yeah, of course.
What
Tell us
overconfidence?
who else you like.
No one.
Then what I thought I'll just propose directly.
Yeah.
So I bought the ring.
You-
I bought the ring.
Swarovski
Do you have the ring
ring.
with you?
I have the ring.
Anyway,
I have
that is
my engagement ring.
That is interim ring before engagement.
Yeah.
In middle of all the story, you guys might be wondering what is this different background behind this. And secret to that, we will
It's
let
a
you know.
surprise!
Next video will be about
Keep waiting,
this.
keep waiting.
So, continuing. So,
Yeah.
I met her another day, few days after I bought the ring. Met her, told her, proposed, of course, agreed.
What?
Of course, you didn't agree. She said okay and went.
I said
actually.
okay, I'll see.
But she took the ring. So
I
that
have to
means-
talk to few people. So
But she took the ring. So that I thought
I
okay.
took the ring.
Just in case.
I should have given it back to you. Then okay.
If you wanted.
Oh, look at your face. Mom asked the same thing. Mom asked when he proposed, what did you say? So I said, I told her that I said that I need to ask you and talk to you. Then she was like, then you brought the ring. Why did you bring the ring then? I said, I just brought it to show it to you guys and I need to talk. Mom was like, no. If you have brought the ring, that is equal to saying yes. So you've told yes. And then she was also really happy with it. I didn't tell dad only. It's okay, no issues. Dad told the
Main thing. That's later.
that is that for that we have to make another video.
If you guys want to know more only, we'll tell you. One more thing I wanted to we met first time, right? We watched a movie also, remember?
Yeah, houseful something.
Yeah. And I put in status in WhatsApp.
Correct. Yes.
And then in the evening, I called mom and sister Geetu, and mom saw the status. So it was with her, right? So she asked me, "Who are you going to watch movie with?" I told, "It's my girlfriend." She said, girlfriend? That's how she came to know. She came to know. So all those stories.
Yeah, how I met Vinay's dad for the first time. It was damn nice. It was very good. And how did the ritual go? Because from two different states, totally different cultures and practices.
So all those things we would like to share, but not in this video, because this video we have spoken enough because we have another whole set of things to say about this.
Yeah, I hope all of you are interested to know our story. There are few twists and turns, but
yeah. So hope you guys like this video. So please do like, share, subscribe, and comment that if you guys want to hear rest of the story.
Yes.
But then next video is about the background.
That's
another surprise
coming base.
Because we never showed you where we. Nothing. Next video. So hope you guys like this video. So until next video, it's bye bye.
Bye guys.
See ya.